Tired of clicking through 5 menus just to clone a record? Build a custom clone button in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to go in Setup, how to configure the button, and the URL trick to make it clone instantly. Start by clicking on Quick Settings in the top right. Then, go ahead and open Advanced Setup from the dropdown. Now, click on Object Manager to access your objects. Next, click on the label for the object you want, like Account. In the left sidebar, click on Buttons, Links, and Actions. Then, click on New Button or Link to start creating your custom button. Type in a label name for your button. Once you click the name box, it will automatically fill out the rest. Now, choose a behavior for the button, like Execute JavaScript. Then, pick the content source, such as URL. Paste your URL into the provided field. Finally, click Save, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.